How to switch to dark mode in Word in Windows. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Word on your device. In Word, click on File at the top left corner of your screen. Then you'll find Home option. In here, at the bottom left, click on Options. In Options, you will find General. In General, click on Office Theme and click on Black. And then press on OK at the bottom. After you have done that, your Word will change into dark mode. This is how to switch to dark mode in Word in Windows. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.